Student funding and money matters is something that is important to all students, and you must make sure you've submitted your application for funding as early as possible. So if you have not yet completed your application, do it now, as there is a deadline, and if you miss it, you may be hit with fees. Full-time higher national funding applications for HNC HND courses can be done easily online at the Student Awards Agency Scotland website, and for further education funding applications for non-advanced levels 3, 4 or 5 programmes such as nationals or swap access courses are made directly to the college, and you apply online through the portal. If you're unsure about eligibility or what funding is available and just want to find out more, speak to the bursary team in the Student Advice Centre, who will be happy to help you. The college also manages discretionary funds which are there to help eligible students with childcare support and hardship, and you apply online through the portal. To find out more, speak to the bursary team in the Student Advice Centre or by emailing bursaries@slc.ac.uk. So priority is given to those students who have a low income, are lone parents, have caring responsibilities, are care experience estranged from family, studying part-time or are living independently in their own accommodation. This also includes those students who are in significant financial hardship or who are experiencing digital poverty, for example, have no IT equipment at home or internet access. And you should complete the online applications and submit the relevant evidence to make sure you get all the funds that are available to you. Students experiencing severe financial hardship whilst waiting for their funding application to be processed can apply for discretionary crisis support to cover temporary hardship. And you can speak confidentially with staff in the Student Advice Centre or email student.support@slc.ac.uk. Make sure that you read and comply with the conditions of any funding awards. The engagement requirement for EMA is 100% and bursary is 80%. If your engagement falls below the required level, your next payment will be suspended and you may be at risk of being withdrawn from your course. Please check your email and your attendance record on a weekly basis. This information can be accessed through the student portal. Under the conditions of your funding award, you are expected to attend all classes, and if you've been absent from college due to illness or another reason, you can use either an authorised absence, granted at the discretion of the curriculum area, a college self-certificate for short-term absence up to 5 days, or a medical certificate for longer periods of absence to ensure the engagement requirement is maintained. You can find out more about student funding through the college website, the handbook, or speak to Student Services in the Student Advice Centre. Videos are available which provide detailed instructions on how to complete the online FEEMA bursary funding application and how to submit a self-certification. If at any time you hit financial trouble in any way, the college may be able to help. We can provide practical help and support on budget advice, and we work closely with a wide range of external agencies such as Citizens Advice and Money Matters to make sure you have access to the right support. So remember, any funding questions or financial difficulties, contact Student Services.